Welcome back to the channel Mr. Wheel Wonders. Today, we're diving into one of the most exciting compact motorhomes stepping into the spotlight for 2026, a vehicle that blends style, innovation, and pure travel freedom in a way that feels almost futuristic. If you're someone who loves the open road but doesn't want to compromise on comfort or practicality, then what you're about to see might just be your next dream home on wheels. The 2026 edition of this camper van takes what enthusiasts loved from previous years and elevates it with smarter design, more refined materials, and features that make long journeys easier, safer, and far more enjoyable. The first thing you notice is the exterior presence: sleek, bold, and unmistakably modern. The sculpted body lines, the compact footprint, and the vibrant color options give it a standout identity, while the advanced LED lighting signature ensures it never blends into the background. But what truly defines the 2026 model is the way it balances mobility with capability. It remains exceptionally nimble, making it perfect for navigating both narrow European streets and wide-open highways, yet it still offers all the amenities you'd expect from a full-sized motorhome. Step inside, and the difference becomes even more striking. The interior feels like a small, luxurious apartment rather than a van conversion. Every inch has been optimized to deliver comfort without sacrificing space. High-quality materials give the cabin a warm, premium feel, soft touch surfaces, enhanced LED ambient lighting, and a layout that lets natural light flow beautifully through the windows. The 2026 redesign focuses heavily on smart ergonomics, cabinetry that opens smoothly and quietly, cleverly hidden storage solutions, and a seating arrangement that quickly transforms from a daytime lounge into a nighttime sleeping space. The living area is designed to take the stress out of travel. Whether you're parked at a campsite or wild camping near a mountain lake, you have a cozy spot that lets you relax, dine, or work comfortably. The dining table is sturdy and well positioned, and the seats offer improved cushioning and support compared to previous models. You get the perfect balance between a home-like feel and the functionality needed for life on the road. The kitchen has also been upgraded for 2026. It now includes a more efficient compact cooktop, a deeper stainless steel sink, improved counter space, and a fridge that keeps your provisions fresh for longer adventures. Everything is designed with practicality in mind. Easy cleaning surfaces, smart shelf dividers, soft close drawers, and lighting that makes late-night meal prepping a breeze. Whether you're heating up a simple breakfast or preparing a full dinner after a long day of exploring, the kitchen never feels cramped or limited. Moving further inside, the sleeping area delivers surprisingly generous comfort. The bed is wide, supportive, and positioned to give you a sense of privacy and peace. The ventilation and lighting have been refined to enhance airflow while keeping the space calm and relaxing. It's the kind of place where you can end the day with a smile, knowing that tomorrow's adventure awaits just outside your window. Technology takes a big leap forward in the 2026 model as well. A modern control hub lets you manage lighting, battery status, water levels, heating, and more with just a few taps. You get multiple charging points for all your devices, optional solar integration, and improved insulation that helps maintain temperature without draining power. Safety systems have been enhanced too, with upgraded driver assistance features that include lane support, adaptive cruise control, improved cameras, and real-time alerts that make long-distance driving far less tiring. And of course, the 2026 camper van has been engineered with efficiency in mind. The latest powertrain delivers smoother performance, better fuel economy, and reduced emissions. It's quieter, more refined, and built to handle a variety of terrains effortlessly. Whether you're heading into the mountains, cruising along coastal highways, or maneuvering through busy cities, the driving experience feels solid, confident, and impressively smooth. Overall, the 2026 motorhome represents a beautiful evolution: compact luxury, smart travel design, and dependable performance wrapped into one stunning vehicle. It proves that you don't need a massive RV to enjoy comfort, capability, and premium craftsmanship. For solo travelers, couples, and weekend adventurers, this camper van delivers the perfect balance between freedom and finesse. If you enjoyed this overview and want more deep dives into upcoming RVs, camper vans, and future mobility trends, make sure to like, subscribe, and stay tuned. This is Mr. Wheel Wonders, and I'll see you in the next journey.